Vero Tower, Cessna Infant 4726 uniform, ready for departure, 12 right.
4726 uniform, Vero Beach, runway 13 right, clear for immediate takeoff on course approved.
Clear for immediate takeoff on course approved.
Moments of Sunshine are brought to you by Florida's Treasure Coast. Find out why we aren't your average vacation at floridastreasurecoast.com.
It's really beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. No matter how many times we're up here flying, it kind of still takes our breath away.
I can see why. Oh my gosh. You know what's better than a boat? A seaplane. It turns out Treasure Coast seaplanes don't just fly you across the expansive coast here on the Treasure Coast, no. They actually land in the water. How cool is this?
This is something I never thought I would do. This is such a unique experience in a seaplane over the coast of Florida. To win your own moments of sunshine on the Treasure Coast, visit theweathernetwork.com/visitflorida.